Hey, welcome guys. It's the rapping chef again. We back on it. You don't know how it go. So basically, today I will be showing you the easy way how I break down chicken. But I'm here to show you that it can be fun buying a whole chicken. As we get back to this right here. Alright, so welcome back. So basically, the reason why I prefer to break down chicken or get a whole chicken, I get more out of the chicken in terms of you get your 8 cuts as well as you get the carcass. And everyone know what the carcass does. The carcass gives you the option of making a nice sauce or a nice broth or a nice stock. So that's why I prefer to get the whole chicken, because I'm from the islands. I eat pretty much all of the chicken, all of it. So let me show you how I break down a whole chicken with ease. I recommend a knife that is sharp. It could be fairly sharp or very sharp. It's up to you how you use it. So what I basically do is identify what you're gonna cut. You're gonna try to get 8 cuts out of this. You have your leg, your thigh, you got the wing, you got the breast, and you got the carcass. So in this video, I start off by identifying the rib bone that runs all the way from the neck to the tail, and I flip that on the upside. And what I basically do is use my knife to cut right through all the rib cage. You pretty much, when you're cutting it through, you can feel it. They're very easy to rip right through. It's a very soft and delicate bone. And I repeat it on both sides, and I completely remove the spinal bone. And then what I do basically is flip it around, and I am going to remove the leg and the thigh. Just to identify on the legs and the thigh, they're connected, but in between, right where you see the line on your leg and thigh, there's a line that basically guide, to me it's a guide in slicing right through. You don't need force to slide through, because the bone is joined by a gristle and ligament. The ligament goes right in between the gristle. So basically what I do with my knife is cut right through it. Here's where I'm going to show you a little something. I know sometimes you go to the restaurant and you heard of the term airline chicken. Airline chicken is basically, it's the chicken breast with a piece of the wing drumstick that's on it. So how do I do when I separate from this? I use the knife. I make sure I identify the center of the breast. There's a bone that runs right down in the middle of the breast. What I do is I go really close to the bone that's in the middle. So I use my hands to peel it away. As I peel it away, I use my knife just to shave off the meat off the bone. So I use the bone as a guide for this one. What you really want to do, you want to remove the meat completely off the carcass. So I repeat the same process with the other breast. What I have here beneath the breast, there is a loin. It's a chicken loin. Usually you can use that to make chicken tenders of any sort. It could be gluten-free chicken tender or a regular chicken tender, so you can put that aside for another project. So what we're going to do, we use the knife. We're going to accomplish the airline. So I use the knife, make an incision right around close to the breast, and then I use my hands to pull the skin off the bone. As you do that, you will reach to the tip of the bone. What you want to do is you're going to actually slice the gristle off the tip of the wing bone. When you're cutting stuff, always cut it away from your hands or from your body. Do not try to cut anything towards you. It's safer. And then you just pull it right off. That's basically how you get the airline chicken breast. Also, I have to save my carcass. Hey, from the islands, guys, you know I like my chicken back, or whatever you want to call it, the chicken carcass as we say here. I usually save that for soup or making a sauce. I can roast that or just eat it just like that, because you know we cool like that. We have it done like that. But the airline chicken breast, I am going to show you in another video something really cool you can make out of it. So all the individual cuts that we have here, I'm going to do something special with them, and it's going to be fun. So thanks for watching. It's Rapping Chef, and this is how I break down chicken. You might find it fun doing the same. You can practice, take your time, don't push yourself too much. I will see you again. Respect. Hey, remember, hit like, subscribe, and share, and do hit that bell icon to get notification when I post. It's the Rapping Chef.